I'm going to show you how to make this super easy transition to show your edits to your friends. It's very simple. The first thing that we need to do is bring our pictures into Premiere Pro. Find the folder that has your pictures. These are my two pictures, the before and the after. I'm going to click it and click create. And now these images are going to come into my Premiere profile. Now if you look at both of these images, you will see that these images are not aligned. For this transition to work, both of these images have to be aligned evenly. So all I have to do is scale down my edited image. So if I click FX, it's going to open up the effect control panel. So in the FX control panel, you're going to see that there is an option that says scale. So if I go to scale, and if I click scale and bring it down, I can rescale my image to make it fit perfectly. I have rescaled my images and now you can see that both of my pictures are perfectly aligned. Now we need to create the wipe transition. That's what creates the before and after. To find the wipe effect, you have to go up to your project panel and you will see these two tiny arrow marks. Click that and you will find the effects panel. Click on the effects panel and the effects will open up. Go and find video transition. Click video transition and all the way in the bottom right above zoom, you're going to see wipe. Click wipe and scroll down. The second last option is the wipe transition. It just says the word wipe. Click the wipe transition and bring it into your project. Put it between both of your clips, both of your edited images. Now you can see that a beautiful wipe effect has been added. But there's something missing. We need a border to actually show the effect taking place. So it's super simple. All you have to do is double click the effect and the effect control panel is going to open up. Once the effect control panel opens up, you will see that there is an option that says border width. Click that and bring it up. So right now I want a thick border, and the higher the number, the thicker the border is going to look like. So I'm going to go for thickness of 20. You can see that a nice thick border has been added. So now let's play the transition and see what it looks like. Yes, I like that. Look at that beautiful transition. As you can see, it's super simple to make an edit like this. It took us less than 5 minutes. Now you can show your work to your friends and impress them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe. Me and Toasty will see you in the next one.